What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is like freaking 84 degrees is supposed to be the high. So we are doing, yes, race car things today. When I say race cars, you notice when I had it at the track the last time, we had the headlight out trying to get airflow across the air filter that resides right behind the headlight. So technically, guys, we are doing race car things today. So let's go. All right, boys, we are about to go out to the shop, but before I do, I had a lot of people that were always asking me, Caleb, why don't you put your beautiful intake cover back on the car and make the engine pretty again? The problem, guys, is with this intake cover, it does not work with the 2018 manifold. The 2018 manifold is what is on the car. It's equipped on all 2018 and up Mustangs and is kind of derived from the GT350 intake. And the tire picked me up almost 30 freaking horsepower. So that's the issue. In the back is where the issues why it won't snap down. It just fits completely different. There are some write-ups as far as how to like cut it and make it fit. I haven't done that. We're just trying to go fast right now. But that is the reason, guys. That's why that beautiful intake cover is not on the car. But let's get in the car, do some pulls. All right, boys, I'm gonna show you my brand new apparatus. Here it is. This like fits on your head or over a hat, something like that. We're gonna try it out today, make some hits, see how it works. Pretty freaking cool. All right, boys, helmet is on, but I've got this, I don't know what this dude's doing up here on my private road. But I was gonna make a hit, and I don't know what he's doing. Like I said, boys, it's like 84 degrees today. It's like unreal warm. Great day to be alive, boys. right, guys, so we are back out at the shop, and of course, guys, that was in Mexico. We're just kind of riding, you know, nothing crazy. But wanted to let the Coyote stretch its legs, and I hadn't really done any point of view stuff, so I was trying out the headset. But guys, sunshine. But enough of the sunshine talk. Everybody's been asking what's going on with the turbo car. Let's talk about what is going on with the turbo car. I don't think the hood is, no, the hood is not popped. Okay, so the deal is, guys, this car, we took it to the tuner, and hopefully I can pop the hood. We took it to the tuner and had some signal issues. The main was we couldn't get any signal from the throttle position sensor, and it's been giving no end of fits ever since then. So yeah, not really sure. We're gonna do look at some of the wiring, ohm some out, maybe just run a straight wire, see what that does. We did change out the throttle position sensor with another one that was known to be good, and we still have issues. So yeah, we're still hoping to make boost, guys. As you can see, it's been running, but excuse me, not too well. So hopefully we'll be making turbo noises very soon in this bad boy. All right, boys, next on the docket, more questions about the heads cam intake car. Okay, so yeah, guys, again, everybody's been asking, you know, what's going on with the heads cam intake car. The car runs great. The reason we still got it here is we had to do some suspension stuff to it, put upper and lower control arms on it, and just some other minor, just little tweaks and stuff like that it needed. But again, guys, the car runs great. Let's fire it up. I think the key's in it. Fire this bad boy up. Hopefully the battery's not dead. And again, y'all, it hasn't been tuned at all. Oh, come on, baby. So yeah, we hasn't had any tuning done on it. So it actually does pretty good in closed loop, but once it goes to open loop, it starts hunting and surging. But yeah, runs really good. See if we can get a little TFS stage 1 cam noise. Oh yeah, boys. Gotta love it. See if we can get it to make some noise here. Not bad. Go ahead and cut it off, but yeah, guys, so that is what is up with those. And I wanted to give you guys another update because I get comments all the time, and it blows my mind, and I apologize, but people are like, when are you gonna do some push rod stuff? It's like right here and right there, both push rod stuff. So I don't know if some people don't watch all the videos or stuff, but guys, we do it all out here. We do push rod, we do Coyote, we do trucks, we do events, we go racing. I mean, I'm even gonna do some diesel stuff, for God's sake, so you diesel guys can be like, yeah, you do diesel stuff too. But anyway, guys, that is the deal. Gonna have to look into some wiring issues on the 93 GT, and the 88 GT she's good to go. She's rocking and rolling, but this car definitely is gonna need a little more work, but hopefully we'll be making turbo noises very soon. All right, boys, let us see what is popping off in the shop. Hey, there's my parts. Maybe one of these days, right? All right, let us see what is going on. All right, guys, Philip is just chilling right now. So yeah, guys, if you are new to the channel, this is Dover's car. This is the very first swap right here, and I did a full-length video on it a while back, but I never really haven't done much since, just because we've again, just like with my car, we get so busy with, you know, doing the customer cars that it kind of ends up on the back burner. But yeah, check it out. Got the Dakota cluster. This thing's got a badass stereo in it too. Super, super nice stereo system. Let's check under the hood real quick. If you guys have not seen it, and of course it's got the TMI 03 Cobra style upholstery. And I gotta get on to Dover. He needs to clean this thing. But yeah, let's look under the hood, y'all. This is swap numero uno right here, boys. And what's done to this car? This is a 2014 Mustang engine. This is not a truck engine. I know the intake's black, but this is a Mustang engine out of a 2014. Air power steering. It's a 6R80, 8.8. I think it's got 373 gears now. It had 410s before, but he had to swap the rear end out. Yeah, guys, this is the very first. Of course, air and power steering. Philip is a beast. Let me see if I can fire it up. Give you a little Coyote cold start real quick. But oh, let's see. Maybe it'll start. Oh! Yes, boys. Coyote cold start for the win. Philip's a baller. We need to get Philip out again. Maybe with coming uploads we'll get out. Everybody says, guys, and I'm gonna take another sidebar, oh, it's got to be a stick shift. Guys, if you've not rode behind a 6R80 or a 10R80, you can't shift as fast as these things. The days of a sluggish old AOD are over. It's a new day. The 6R80s and 10R80s are nasty. All right, guys, real quick, I will have updates for you on the Coyote swap new edge. Gotten a lot of people asking about that, the 01 GT Nards car that we're doing the Coyote swap on. These are just some of the parts we've been waiting on from Power by the Hour. The got his alternator here. He got to have a specific alternator because it gets flipped around. This is all stuff you got to have if you are going to be running air conditioning and power steering, which he is. But got all there's the AC bracket right there, power steering bracket, alternator bracket, and then the alternator. So that is an update on Nard's car. We will probably get it back in the shop and be doing some more work on it. He is lacking the we got to get the pedal mounted, so we need the Scramsby pedal bracket, and he needed like clutch cable, quadrant, stuff like that. So a lot of little stuff. And then we also ran into kind of an issue, which I will talk about in that upload. Watch out for that one very soon. But yeah, that is the update on the Coyote swap new edge. Keep an eye out for that. Should be coming very soon, like next week. All right, boys, one more update. Guys, it's close. It's close. You see, the pump is on. The brackets are being made right now for the 03 Cobra heat exchanger. So that should be mounted up here very quickly. You can see the reservoir is mounted real low, so it's out of the way. And of course, the power steering reservoir is right down there. It is out of the way. We got all the parts from Eric McDonald at Midway Mustang. Finish off his cold air intake. But other than that, guys, like, I mean, check it out. Heater hoses are on. Intercooler pump hoses are on. Radiator hoses are on. Fuel pressure regulator is mounted. Whoo! I'm telling you guys, we're going to fire this car very soon. And it's going to be an absolute freaking demon. Actually, a demon killer. But yeah. Shouldn't be long, boys. And I love all the Shelby stuff. Shelby. That is so cool. Very cool stuff. Yes, if you're wondering what the Shelby stuff is, this engine came out of a 2017 Super Snake. So that's why it's all the Shelby stuff. It is legit. It's from Shelby. So there you go, boys. That is the update on the Viper Blue Fox. The final stages of Lee's build are coming together. We should be making noise with this thing very, very, very soon. As you can see, Fuel lines are all mounted. Tank is back out. So it will not be long until this beast is ready to rock. Of course, got all the 3-inch exhaust and everything like that. This thing's gonna be so friggin' nasty. Plenty of fuel flow, if I do say so myself. So yeah, update on that. We'll have a first fire on this and this car here very soon, and hopefully the Coyote Swap new edge as well. So that is the update from the shop. I hope you enjoyed the watt pulls. I'm so ready for the coronavirus BS to go away and nice weather to be here, and that's why I had to get the car out today. And it's nice to make some pulls. God, the car feels good. I freaking love it. I'm ready to get it on the track. I'd love to have my new gears in and my 2-step on there, but you know, maybe one day, who knows. So that is what is up, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We got a ton of stuff coming. I promise you, it never ends. Make sure you're at Ford Takeover, June 6th, Jackson, Tennessee, Jackson Dragway. I rented out the track. All right, I gotta go because I'm running out of stuff to say later.